Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that, go to connections option. From here, go to mobile hotspot and tethering. Then tap on mobile hotspot. At first, just swipe down and then disable your Wi-Fi and turn on your mobile data. Otherwise, you cannot use your mobile hotspot. Now just turn on your hotspot and you can see it's enabled successfully. Now if you want to configure your mobile hotspot, just tap here. From here you can change your mobile hotspot network name, and from here you can set your password. Also from here you can change your frequency. You can choose 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, but I suggest you to set 5 GHz and then tap on save, and it's done. Now mobile hotspot is ready for use. And that is how you can turn on or enable mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.